Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
No, me no in a garden ray. Jah bless the world, yeah, man. Yeah. Na. Yeah. Me open me eye pan golden ray. Jah bless the start of every day. From the mountain come the call. Stand firm, don't fall. The morning breeze whisper soft. Lift me spirit aloft. Every dawn a brand new fight. But love bring light. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me chant through pain. Them build wall fi hold me down, but Jah give me crown. Me see the people tired and broke, under the system choke, but the sun still rise again. Wash away the stain. Me keep me heart clean, me mind pure, faith endure. Me hear the elder voice inside. Rasta youth can't hide. The path rough but still me trod, guided by the rod of God. Me no bow to no false king. Me let the spirit sing. Even when the world feel cold, me soul stay bold. Spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine upon the righteous way, guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift me soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. Me see the youth them searching wide. Truth can't hide. Them hungry for the higher plan. Them ready fi stand. Me tell them love can't fade. Jah creation well made. Each man a temple, each soul divine. Like the sun, we shine. Me chant upon the mountain high. Lift me voice to the sky. Me see the clouds start move away. Light up the day. Me feel Jah glory deep within. Burn out the sin. Me spirit dance, me eyes awake. A new dawn fi make. Even when the night look long, me sing Jah song. When Babylon try mash me faith, me rise, me create. The spirit of the sun never fade. It light the path Jah made. From east to west, the flame still run. One creation, one sun. Yeah, spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine up on the righteous way, guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift me soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. Spirit of the sun, forever rise. Truth reflect in me eyes. No shadow strong enough to stay. Light, show the way. Me rest me mind when day is done. Thank Jah for the rising sun. Till me breath me find forever alone. Spirit of the sun.
Na 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 na.
Nightfall, me hold the fire still. Follow Jah will. In a darkness, me guard the light. True shine bright, me watch the stars. Me hear Jah voice, me heart rejoice. Keeper of the flame, me be eternally free. Me see the world, forget the love, forget the gift from above. Them chase power, chase gold. Them spirit cold, but me hold the torch high. Me not deny, me got the spark in a me chest. Jah manifest, me see them up the righteous way, but still me pray. Me carry fire through the storm. Jah keep me warm, no shadow deep enough to hide. Truth inside me, light me chalice, chant me psalms. Heart calm, lively, keeper of the flame, burn bright. Shine through endless night, light up the heart of man. Part of Jah plan, keeper of the flame, so pure. Faith endure. Me carry Jah fire inside till the tide. Me walk through the desert bare. Still Jah there, me see the moon reflect the truth. Guide the youth, them call me fool, them call me mad, but me still glad. Cause me know Jah never sleep, promise keep. Me see the wicked tremble slow. Them power go, me flame expose the wrong. Them do light shine through me, guard the spark for every soul. Make them hold me, live for truth, me die for same. Keeper of the flame, no wind can blow the light away. It dead to stage, a spirit fuel the fire strong. Burn all wrong, me hold the lamp in every fight. Bring the light. Chant lively, keeper of the flame, burn bright. Shine through endless night, light up the heart of man. Part of Jah plan, keeper of the flame, so pure. Faith endure. Me carry Jah fire inside till the tide. Jah lively, forever rise. Jah lively, forever rise. Light up the skies. Jah fire never tame. One eternal flame. When me gone, me fire remain. True joy and pain. Keeper of the flame, will be full joy and pain. Keeper of the flame for eternity. Keeper of the flame.
Aye, aye, aye. One love, one people, yeah, man. Me wake the spirit from the bar. Roots revival come at last. Drum and bass start for roll. Jah purify my soul. Me walk the path me ancestors trod. Each step guided by God. Me feel the pain, me feel the pride. Me carry Jah inside. Them chain can't bind the truth. Rebel fire of youth. Me chant me him for change. The whole world rearrange. Me say the struggle still remain, but love erase the pain. Me plant the seed for peace and growth. Me live my heart. No silver, no gold me need. Only Jah my creed. Me heart strong like lion roar. Rasta forevermore. Yeah, roots revival rise. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soul jockey. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. Me feel the wind from Africa. Whisper say remember ya. Bloodline strong, my history clear. My ancestors here. Drum echo from the ground. Revolution sound. Me see the youths awake and proud. Me chant them loud. carry truth and fire. The future them inspire. The system can't blind no more. We open door. Roots revive, the time is now. Rasta take the vow. One nation, one heart, one soul. Jah make we walk. Yeah. Roots revive our rise. Set the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soul Jah keep. Roots revive us strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. So when the drums start play again, remember where we've been. Roots revival carry on till the morning come. I ganja and meditate, your man. The morning sun ablaze my skin. Jah love dwell deep within. Me breathe the light, me feel the air. Jah presence everywhere. Me see the mountain bow to breeze. Creation live in peace. Jah word echo from above. Eternal love. Me heart beat calm and true. Me walk with you. No weapon rise can win. Love dwell within. Me look upon the world today. So much lost along the way. Me chant fi heal the pain. Love fall like rain. The people cry, but Jah still near. Me wipe away the tear. Hope still blooming at the night. Guided by Jah light. With Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. Oh, oh, oh. Me sit beneath the banyan tree. Jah whisper comfort me. Me meditate, me overstand. Jah hold me on. The world spin fast, me spirit slow. Jah make me grow. Me see the sunrise touch the sea. The truth set me free. Me chant for mercy, chant for peace. Till hatred cease. Love conquer all divide. Jah dwell inside. Eternal flame, I call your name. No life remain the same. Jah mercy wide and clear. Forever near. Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. So when my final day come, me rest in Jah kingdom. Love eternal still burn bright. Guided by Jah light. Ay, 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 say you're reggae, yeah, man. Whoa. Whoa. Before the dawn, me hear a sound rising from the holy ground. Drum beat echo through the plain. Wash away the pain. Me close me eyes, me spirit fly Jah sky, every thump a heartbeat true. Ancient calling to me, hear the echo of the slave. Me hear the courage of the brave. Them ancestors still a talk, guiding every walk. Each rhythm carries strength and truth. Light for the youth when the drum beat call me name. Me answer flame. Me see the people gather round, feet moving on sacred ground. Them clap, them sing, them pray for peace. For Babylon release every sound a healing tone. From flesh to bone, drum no lie, it tell Jah way. Night and day, off the drum, call we home. Beat for the last and lone, carry the word, carry the flame. All in Jah name, voice of the drum, mighty strong. Right erase the wrong, rhythm pure like morning dew. Guide we through, me feel the spirit move me soul. Drum restore control, it chant for justice, chant for right. Turn darkness to light, each echo tell me Jah still near. Me feel no fear, me let go pain, me let go pride. Truth inside, me know the drum come from the earth. Sound of rebirth, it speak a language words can't tell. Sacred as a bell, from the roots to the crown of man. It reveals Jah plan, every beat a living prayer. In the air, when the world grow cold and numb, listen to the drum, it teach we unity, teach we grace. One heartbeat, one race, no division, no more fight. Only light. Voice of the drum, call we home. Beat for the last and lone, carry the word, carry the flame. All in Jah name, voice of the drum, mighty strong. Right erase the wrong, rhythm pure like morning dew. Guide we through, voice of the drum, eternal song. Keep the people strong, let the world remember still Jah holy will. Me rest me hand pon skin and shell, hear the story well. Voice of the drum, never done. Beat till kingdom come. Ay, 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 ganja inna the jungle, yeah, man. Yeah. Me hear the drum from far away, call me soul to pray. Rhythm deep, me spirit high. Jah music never die. Me feel the bass inna me chest, Jah give me rest, every strike a truth reveal. Rasta strength unseal, me see the youth them start fi dance in a trance of chance. Every heart they join the sound, unity abound. Me remember the elder song say keep the fire strong. Me no bout to vanity, only Jah me family. Music heal the broken soul, make the people whole. Me chant for the humble and weak, Jah voice voice them seek a white teeth of the drum. Tell the world where we from. Roots vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. High beat of the drum, call the spirit come. One sound, one love, one ground. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Me walk where the river flow. Hear the ancient echo, each beat a story told. Of courage bold, me close me eyes, me feel Jah grace. Love upon my face, love upon my face. The rhythm strong, the chant real. Jah power me feel, the crowd a sing the night, ignite pure delight. Every heart align, peace divine. Drum beat, carry the flame, call Jah name. No man can steal the sound, Rasta all around. Yeah, I beat of the drum, tell the world where we from. Roots vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. Heartbeat of the drum, call the spirit come. One sound, one love, one ground. Jah rhythm all around. Oh, 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 bim, bop, bum 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 bum, bum 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 bum, bop, go to the bum 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 bum. All around. When silence fall again, me feel the peace within. Heartbeat fade but still it hum. Jah love always come. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around.
is eternal, never end. Zion song, me friend. No Babylon can silence sound. Zion song all around. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion song carry you. Zion song, loud and free, echo through eternity. Every note a holy flame. Zion song, call your name. It chant the mountain, chant the sea. Zion song destiny, forever holy, never gone. Zion song shining strong. It bless the people, bless the land. Zion song by Jah hand, forever ringing, wide and long. Zion song, Jah song. Me hear it blazing morning light. Zion song, Jah might. It lift the spirit, lift the soul. Zion song make we whole. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion song carry you. It guide the children, guide the way. Zion song every day. It ring eternal, never fade. Zion song Jah made. No Babylon can mute this sound. Zion song all around. Forever glowing, pure and free. Zion song destiny. It rise the people, rise the land. Zion song Jah hand. When the trumpet sound again, Zion song still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion song bring Jah peace from dawn of time till Jah
aye. Ganja is Marcus medicine, your man. Down in the valley, low and green, hope arise like morning sheen. Though the shadow try to stay, valley light a brighter day. Every seed I promise grow, valley teach the ones to know. Gentle breeze and river song, valley keep them moving strong. Travel and weary take a rest, valley give the soul its best. Fruit them ripe and flowers bloom, valley chase away the gloom. Children laugh and elders smile, valley healing all the while. No despair can linger long, valley sing the hopeful song. Babylon crumble on the hill, valley stand by Jah will. Righteous gather chant aloud, valley hold a holy crowd. Every prayer them send above, valley overflow with love. Roots grow strong, harvest near, valley dry away the tear. Even when the storm cloud rise, valley still a paradise. Shelter safe for rich and poor, valley open every door. Birds of Zion build a nest, valley give the people rest. Blessed ground, no fear, no fight, valley glow with holy light. Morning sun up on the plain, valley sing redemption strain. Evening star across the sky, valley chant will never die. Generation pass along, valley keep the faith so strong. Everlasting deep and wide, valley hold Jah love inside. Grow, grow seed of peace, valley blessing never cease. Shine, shine, bright and true, valley sing Jah song for you. Valley of hope so pure, so wide, lift the people side by side. Never fading, never gone, valley sing creation song. Forever living bold and free, valley all eternity.
Aye, 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 Jah Love your man.
Before the dawn, me hear a sound rising from the holy ground. Drum beat echo through the plain, wash away the pain. Me close me eyes, me spirit fly under Jah sky. Every thump a heartbeat true, ancient calling too. Me hear the echo of the slave, me hear the courage of the brave. Them ancestors still attack, guiding every walk. Each rhythm carries strength and truth, light feed the youth. When the drum beat call me name, me answer flame. Me see the people gather round, feet moving pon sacred ground. Them clap, them sing, them pray for peace, for Babylon release. Every sound a healing tone, from flesh to bone. Drum no lie, it tell Jah way, night and day. We are voice of the drum, call we home. Beat feed the last and lone. Carry the word, carry the flame, all in Jah name. Voice of the drum, mighty strong, right erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew, guide with you. Me feel
move my soul. Drum restore control. It chant for justice, chant for right. Turn darkness to light. Each echo tell me just still near. Me feel no fear. Me let go pain, me let go pride. Truth inside. Me know the drum come from the earth. Sound of rebirth. It speak a language words can't tell. Sacred as a bell. From the roots to the crown of man, it reveals Jah plan. Every beat a living prayer in the air. When the world grow cold and numb, listen to the drum. It teach we unity, teach we grace. One heartbeat, one race. No division, no more fight, only light. Voice of the drum, call we home. Beat, feed the lost and lone. Carry the word, carry the flame, all in Jah name. Voice of the drum, mighty strong. Right erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew. Guide we true. Voice of the drum, eternal song. Keep the people strong. Let the world remember still Jah holy will. Me rest me hand pon skin and shell. Hear the story well. Voice of the drum, never done. Beat till kingdom come.
Crown of Zion shining gold. Story of the truth big told. It bless the humble, lift the meek. Zion crown all people seek. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown, here to stay. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown, carry you. Zion crown, bright and tall. Blessings giving for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, exalt his name. It rests upon the RASTA head. Zion crown, just spread. Forever shining, never fall. Zion crown, for all. Guide the nation, bless the land. Zion crown, by Jah hand. Forever holy, wide and free. Zion crown, destiny. You see it glow in morning sun. Zion crown, never done. It shine the way, it mark the path. Zion crown, Jah Love, forever holy, strong and right. Zion crown, Jah light. It bless the children, bless the soul. Zion crown, make we whole. It shine eternal, never fade. Zion crown, Jah make. No Babylon can hide the glow. Zion crown, always show. Forever blazing, pure and long. Zion crown, Jah song. It crown the people, crown the day. Zion crown, Jah way. When the trumpet sound again, Zion crown still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion crown, bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion crown, show Jah way. Eternal shining, strong and tall. Zion crown, bless all. Shine high, shine true. Zion crown, for me and you. No chain, no curse can bright and tall. Blessings giving for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, exalt his name from age to age. From dusk.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae. Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae. Deep the ocean wide and blue. Carry love from me to you. Wave of mercy, tide of peace. Ocean brings just sweet release. Every drop of bond so strong. Ocean sing a righteous song. Far horizons near and wide. Ocean hold us side by side. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the ocean's mighty roar. Not of war, not of strife. Ocean gift the breath of life. Babylon ship may try to sail. Ocean truth will still prevail. Every tide and every wave. Ocean bless the ones just sail. Children play upon the sand. Ocean hold them in a hand. Ella bow and say a prayer. Ocean whisper love is near. Storm may come, wind may blow. Ocean guide the ones who know. Flow eternal, deep and wide. Ocean keep your truth inside. From the sunrise to the night, ocean shine with holy light. Carry voices, carry song. Ocean move the world along. Every current strong and pure. Ocean unity secure. Every heart it pull together. Ocean bond will last forever. Sea shall echo, dolphins sing. Ocean glory crown the king. Waves them clap against the shore. Ocean chant forevermore. From creation till the end. Ocean stand as righteous friend. Eternal tide, forever free. Ocean of true unity. Flow, flow, mighty sea. Bind the people. Unity. Rise, rise, tide so strong. Ocean sing, Jah holy song. Ocean of unity deep and true. Carry the people, me and you. Never ending, wide and free. Ocean bless humanity. Forever flowing, pure delight. Ocean shine with holy light.
Zion reggae with ganja, yeah, man. Me rise up early with the sun. Chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in soil, me mind at peace. Planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden lush and green. Sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love, herb garden. We grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life. Stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land, in ganja smoke and jaja and me burn a spliff to clear me sight. Me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me. Through every leaf, me spirit free. Me see the rain come wash the ground. Roots get strong, life come round. Each drop a blessing from above. Feed the herb, feed the love. Children laugh in morning dew, learning things them never knew. Me tell them grow it pure and clean. Jah keep your heart evergreen. Meditation time, pon the stone me sit. Inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow the pace. Me find Jah light in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full, but always more. Me teach the youths to plant and grow. Not just herb, but heart, you know. The land a teacher, herb a guide. Just spirit always deep inside. In a one love, herb garden. Me heart beat like Naya Bingi drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon know. In a one love, herb garden. Me heart beat like Nanya Bingi drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon done. Zion reggae with ganja, yeah, man. night calm and deep. Sky of Zion never sleep. Generations one by one. Sky deliver till it's done. Eternal vision, bold and clear. Sky of freedom always near. Shine, shine, sky so high. Lift the spirit to the sky. Rise, rise, strong and true. Sky of Zion guide me to. Sky of deliverance, pure and bright. Shining mercy, holy light. Never fading, never fall. Sky of freedom, bless us all. Forever glowing, bold and free. Sky of Zion, cover me.
No, no, no. Sun over Zion, yeah, man. Jah guide me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Early in the morning, me rise with the sun. Now ya bingy drum beat, we had just begun. Me wash me face in the river so clean. Ganja leaf in a me hand, life feel like a dream. Birds them a sing, breeze kiss me locks. Me give thanks to Jah, no need for clocks. Me nah rush, me nah fuss, just flow. Each breath a blessing, me soul a glow. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Me walk barefoot through the valley of trees. Me chant ancient words while me feel the breeze. No concrete jungle, just earth and sky. No fake smiles, just truth in I and I. Me nah follow fashion, me follow the path. Built from roots and blessed from the start. Me sip ital tea, burn bush with pride. In a harmony, me and the most high ride. Them try to trap we in a system maze, but we navigate with the ganja blaze. Sound system bumping, heart feels strong. One rhythm, one heart, one righteous song. The world move fast, but we move wise. Gaze in the stars, see Jah in the skies. The skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Them a run for riches, me run for peace. Me find the strength where the rivers release. Me nah carry hate, me carry love. Guided by ancestors from above. Fire burn corruption, fire light me way. Each puff of herb, me troubles fade away. Me teach the youth, feel live and learn. To hold the fire till Babylon burn. So if you lost, come follow this flame. Me nah play fame, me play Jah name. Zion echo, sound system high. We chant redemption till we reach the sky. So light it up and feel the breeze. Rasta life bring inner peace.
Na 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 na. Ganja and Zion, yeah, man. Nah. Hear the drum beat in the night. Ancestors keep the fire bright. Through the struggle, through the chain, flame of memory still remains. from the earth below. Stories of the roots we know, guiding and from long before. Flame still burning evermore. Every elder chant a line, carved in stone, eternal sign. Blood and sweat, yet spirit strong. Flame a guide the whole along. No oppression, hold it down. Flame of truth, a shining crown. Generation pass it on. Flame of ancestors never gone. When the storm I try to rise, flame still dancing in the eyes. Babylon has spread them lies. Flame of wisdom never dies. Children born with spark inside. Flame of courage never hide. Roots grow deep beneath the soil. Flame reward the righteous toil. War may rage and nations fall. Still the flame unite them all. From the desert to the sea, flame of ancestors set we free. Sacred fire light the way, shining bright till break of day. Every spark a holy call. Flame of Zion bless us all. Lift your hand and feel the heat. Flame of past and future me. Torch of love, eternal guide. Flame of truth we never hide. When the darkness try to stay, flame of ancestors chase away. Forever glowing, bold and pure. Flame of Zion shall endure. Burn, burn, sacred fire. Lift the people's spirit higher. Shine, shine, bright and strong. Flame of ancestors carry on. Flame of the ancestors burning high. Light the people, never die. Forever glowing, bold and free. Flame of truth for you and me. Eternal fire, righteous core. Flame of ancestors evermore.
Na 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 grada. Na 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 grada. Na 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 Zion Ragaya man.
Golden gate, so wide, so tall. Zion opening for one and all. No guard of hate, no lack of chain. Only love can there remain. It welcome meek, it welcome true. Open gates for me and you. Every step a song of peace. Gates of Zion love increase. Gates of Zion open wide. Call the children, call inside. No wall of fears, no door of pain. Zion gates forever reign. It shine with light, it glow with flame. Every gate called Jah true name. It lead to garden, lead to rest. Zion welcome all the blessed. No rich, no poor, no high, no low. All together gates will show. Every heart a holy key. Gates of Zion set you free. It open night, it open day. Gates of Jah no closer way. It lead the soul to holy ground, where eternal love is found. It break the chain, it lose the tie. Gates of Zion never lie. Every step up on the floor, open wide forevermore. Me see it shining in me dream. Golden soul by gates beguiled. Come one, come all, no man denied. Zion gates forever wide. When the trumpet sound again, gates of Zion stand remain. It welcome faithful, welcome true. Open arms for I and you. From dawn of time till time is gone, gates of Jah forever strong. Love eternal, truth inside. Gates of Zion open wide. Step in, step through. Gates of Zion call for you. No wall, no bar can hold the way. Zion gates forever stay. Gates of Zion open wide. Call the children, call inside. No wall of fears, no door of pain. Zion gates forever reign. From earth below to heaven shore, gates of Zion open more.
Na Jah, bless the people, yeah man. More love, more peace in the world, man. Sound the drum, the trumpet blow. Jah train ready fi go. All aboard, me people rise. Freedom live behind the eyes. Me leave the city dust behind me, seek the peace, me find the world full of lies and lies. But Zion truth never die, me chant, me song, me hold me ground, Jah melody profound. Each step me take is sacred call. No man can me soul stall, me see the children wave them on. Bless the future of this land. Me hear the elder voice so wise. Tell me Rasta never compromise. Jah give the path fi trod, me move with faith in God. The journey long but pure, love are the only cure. Zion chain rolling through. Jah call me coming to. One heart, one faith, one sound. Freedom circle all around. Zion chain rolling high. No tear left fi cry. Every soul fi ride, Jah guide the tide. Me see the mountain greet the sky. Eagles spread them fly. Me feel the spirit in the breeze. Truth set me mind at ease. The system try to break me chain, but Jah wash the pain. Me lift the torch and share the flame. In Jah holy name, me trod with love, me trod with peace, till hatred cease. Every man and woman sing, Jah kingdom we bring. No stop this train, me say, Zion roll night and day. All who seek the light, come trod in Jah side. Zion train rolling through. Jah call me coming to. One heart, one faith, one sound. Freedom circle all around. Zion train rolling high. No tear left fi cry.
shore. Me heart need cry no more. Zion train never done. Riding to Jah sun.